I'm going to use ChatGPT Agent to evaluate a bunch of different applicants that have applied for a sales development representative position. So here we go. So here's the job description. Looking for a sales development representative to work for our company VisualSP. Okay, it's a comprehensive document. Here are all the candidates that I have right now. They're just available on a web page here. Now, I am only hiring from Philippines, not hiring from any other country, so I needed to ignore any other country at this time right now. In ChatGPT, first I have clicked on and selected the agent, just clicking on the plus sign and selecting the ChatGPT agent. Then I've uploaded the sales development representative job description as a Word document. And then I have my prompt, which I will walk you through right now. You're acting as a talent match analyst for my company, VisualSP. I'm going to provide you the following job description that is attached. The candidate profiles are available at this particular URL. That's where it's going to get from. That is this URL right here. Then I'm telling it to ignore any candidates from any other countries. Just do the ones from Philippines. Step 1, extract key requirements. So go to the job description, parse it into 3 to 5 core responsibilities, all that good stuff here. Step 2, build a scoring criteria based upon the criteria that I'm giving it. Step 3, evaluate each candidate for each resume, score them using the above criteria. And then step 4 is to rank all the candidates from strongest to weakest fit and indicate which ones should I move forward with for the interview round. Just do the whole thing for me, basically. Let's go. It starts thinking, then it starts setting up a desktop specifically for me over here. Now at this point, it's going to start showing me the actual screen that it's using, what it's reading, what it's coding, what it's clicking on. Everything is completely transparently told to me of what ChatGPT Agent is doing at any point in time. Look at this, for example. It's saying that I'm going to use LibreOffice to convert the Word document, docx document, into a PDF document. So now it's saying I have the PDF file. I'm confirming its availability. I'm going to open it up in a browser. So it's opening it up, reading the whole sales development representative job description. And then it's talking about things that it cannot do or can do. Everything is completely open, transparent. Here it has the profiles open. Now it's clicking or trying to click on the profile. Then it's saying, hey, I might have misclicked over here. I mean, the level of transparency of exactly what it's thinking, what it's doing, what it's trying, what it's attempting, like it says, pretty amazing. Now, I don't want you to have to watch every single thing that it does because it's going to do it for many, many minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and pause and come back. I watched it having different issues. So now, for example, it's going to go on the list view. Table view is not, or the list view is not working out, so it's going to a table view over here. Here we go. And then it finally enters a profile, in this case, Nilo's profile, looking at the video introduction. And I don't know if it's going to really do anything with video over here, but it does have other tabs like job history and work details. So it's going to go to that as well to try that out. Now all this stuff takes time, so I went ahead and paused the video again, and now I'm back over here. It's now going to different sections of the job history. So all this stuff does take time for the agent to do right now. I'm sure it's going to get faster over time. For now, I'm just going to pause the recording and I'll come back to it when it's done. Worked for 42 minutes and came back with all my results, which I'll show here. You can also expand this section and see the actual recording. Go back in time if you wanted to see what it did. I told it the step 1 is to create key requirements from the job description. And here's that Word file with the sales development representative job description. It captured core responsibilities, must-have skills, experience, nice-to-have qualifications, and desired traits and culture, everything from that Word document with a job description. Then it went ahead and laid out the scoring criteria out of 100. So this is what I told it to do. Direct experience, technical soft skills, all those different things, and exactly how much each would be given the points. Then step 3 is candidate evaluations. Started out talking about Jay, that's the first candidate. So here we go. Here are the candidates over here. Jay, Gab, another Gab, Wowie, and Nilo. So let's see what it did. This is Jay is saying it's a strong match. And then it's telling me about direct experience, technical soft skills, exact points, and why it gave it that point and that weight. And then this is the other guy. His name is Wowie. And same thing, now this is saying it's a strong match. And once again, giving the ratings, information as to why it gave the ratings. Then look at this, it says gap broad face. And the reason it's saying that because there's two, right? So there's the gap broad face and gap thin face. So automatically looked at the picture and it's telling me one has a broad face, and let's see if there's another one right here, gap with a thin face. It looked at it visually and is telling me exactly how to differentiate which one it's talking about. Okay, once again, it's giving me all the rankings, the ratings, information about why it gave the ratings, recommendation. And here's a step 4 that I told it. Rank all of them. It ranked, gave the scores, gave the move forward or not move forward recommendation at the end, the fit summary, and then a summary at the end. This is pretty amazing. Now, granted, it took it a long time to do all of this stuff, but still I was able to delegate to this agent to do all of these things. I did not have to do it. Of course, I'm going to verify everything, but it still did about 80% of my job, so I can only do about 20% remaining. My scenario here was taking a job description, taking all these candidates that have applied for the job description and rating them, ranking them, giving subjective and objective analysis for everything. And it did that perfectly. Try your own scenarios, and I'm sure you'll be happily surprised using the ChatGPT agent. Good luck.